Fun facts about Thanksgiving Day. The first Thanksgiving was actually a 3-day festival. The first Thanksgiving was celebrated in 1621 as a harvest festival. It included 50 pilgrims, 90 Wampanoag Indians, and lasted 3 days. Historians believe that only 5 women were present. Benjamin Franklin wanted the turkey to be the national bird. In a letter to his daughter, Benjamin Franklin wrote, "For my own part, I wish the bald eagle had not been chosen the representative of our country. For the truth, the turkey is in comparison a much more respectable bird." Although Franklin didn't get his wish, his letter did inspire a song in the Tony-winning musical 1776 about the drafting of the Declaration of Independence.